Building an animated holiday diagram should be a matter of minutes, not hours or days. Let's build together this festive JavaScript application that helps Santa follow the optimal route to visit all cities in the Christmas night. The web page of our application has two canvas elements. One is for the diagram and one for the zoom control. It also hosts the HTML button and input elements above the diagram. The zoom control allows the user to pan and zoom the diagram. We create a diagram view using the diagram canvas, and from there, we receive our diagram instance. The diagram has an SVG file of a world map as a background image. We also specify its bounds and background brush. We use the theme property to assign a custom style for diagram links, and we create the zoom control the same way we create the diagram view. We set its backgrounds to transparent, but outline it with a solid border. If you look in the project directory, you will see there are a lot of SVG files, which we use to assign to newly created diagram nodes. We handle the clicked event of the diagram object. In the event handler, we create a new SVG node and assign the image as its SVG content. If you are interested in the events of the diagram, you can check the online documentation. There's a long list of events, and each one is described with the arguments that it provides. Now, as you see, there are two options for animation. The user switches them with radio buttons. Each time the start button is pressed, we disable the button and the diagram clicked event to stop multiple runs of the algorithm. We use the powerful PathFinder class, which gives us the shortest route among the nodes currently in the diagram. The path that is returned contains the nodes in such order that links between adjacent nodes would end in the shortest route possible. And now for the animations. The fist animation creates an SVG node the same way as the nodes for the cities are created. Then it uses a path animation instance that runs the node along a route defined by all control points of the nodes that are at the two ends of each link. You can check the path animation class in the documentation. This animation is smooth all along, since it runs on app control points as a uniform route. The LinkLabel animation uses the setLinkLength position property of the LinkLabel class. It specifies the label position relative to its length. Santa Claus, in this case, is a link label, with an image file assigned to it. This animation is run for a given time on each link, which makes it fast when the link is long and slower when the link is shorter. So, we've just ran you through the process of creating a festive Christmas application in JavaScript. Thank you for watching and enjoy your holidays.